Hello everyone. Now I will take the next question, PYQ number 8. The ratio in turns, either I can say the turn ratio of auto transformer is NEC by NBC equal to 1.5. As per the given figure in the question, this is basically the figure of auto transformer here. So in this question is given NAC, so NAC AC, so this is NAC and this is the NBC is given here is 1.5. Considering equal loads and for the same heating in the windings, the ratio of equivalent resistance of auto transformer to that of two winding transformer rating V1 by V2 is option A 1 by 2, option B 1 by 3, option C 1 by 6, option D is 1 by 9. ओके सो क्या बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन में, यहाँ पर ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर दिया हुआ है, इसमें इसका जो टर्न रेशियो है ये डिफाइन किया हुआ है 1.5. ओके सो दिस डिफाइन किया हुआ है. यहाँ बोल रहा है कंसीडरिंग the equal loads and for the same heating in the winding, the ratio of equivalent resistance of auto transformer to that of the two winding ट्रांसफार्मर. ठीक है, इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए डायरेक्टली मैं आपको एक फार्मूला बताता हूँ. उस फार्मूले को यूज़ करके डायरेक्टली आप इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ बोल रहा है रेशियो ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर टू दैट ऑफ ए टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर. सो आई विल गिव यू वन डायरेक्ट फार्मूला फॉर द रेशियो, or you can say the relationship between the equivalent resistance of auto transformer to that of a two winding transformer. So I can say here the equivalent resistance of auto transformer will be equal to, this is given the 1 minus 1 by k into 1 minus 1 by k का whole square into, this is given the equivalent resistance of the two winding transformer. Okay, equivalent resistance of the two winding transformer. So this is the relationship between the equivalent resistance of the auto transformer to the two winding transformer, right? And this k is what? So k here we can define as is given in this case, the number of turns is 1.5. So I can define it, this is given as 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So directly I'll put the values here. So I can say this is given the 1 minus 1 upon, so this becomes the k. So k is given the 3 by 2 whole square. This is given the two winding transformer, or also I can resolve it. So this becomes the 1 minus 2 by 3 ka whole square, the equivalent resistance of the two winding transformer. So I can solve it and this will become the 1 by 9 to the equivalent resistance of the two winding transformer. This is for the auto transformer. So here what we need to find, we need to find the ratio of equivalent resistance of auto transformer to that of two winding transformer. तो हमें बेसिकली इस क्वेश्चन में क्या निकालना था, हमको निकालना था रेजिस्टेंस, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर टू द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ से हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा रेजिस्टेंस, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर तो द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर विल बी गिवन इज हाउ मच, विल बी गिवन एज 1 by 9. Will be given as 1 by, so 1 by 9 is the answer for this particular problem. So we can say the option D is the answer for this particular problem. So remember, this is the very important formula, and directly applying this formula we can find the relationship between the auto transformer and two winding transformer in terms of their equivalent resistance. Thank you.